Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain an idea, especially the small stocks like penny stocks and all the stocks that are like small. You have more risk and then you have more reward. Now what does it mean? Why these stocks have more reward and more risk? It's just because these stocks are thin and light. It means they can be moved, they can be manipulated very easily. Okay? They can be manipulated because they are very thin, and most of the mutual funds, they don't buy this kind of stocks because mutual funds, they have billions of dollars. And these companies, like this penny stocks, you find a company, for example, it is $100 million, $200 million, so 50 million, 10 million. It's just small companies. So its worth in the market is so small that the stock share is small. Now, sometimes when they move, you are lucky. You say, oh, I have a stock which is $1. The next day it goes to $2. I double my money. Yes. But understand that sometimes when you buy these stocks, they go against you and they take a big chunk of your money. Okay? Let's say you put $10,000, or let's say you put just $5,000 in a stock like it is $2 or $1 or $3, and you can lose 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. So the risk is too much compared to what you get. Although you can make money, but you need some kind of a strategy that deals with this kind of stocks. Now, in these stocks, we have two kinds. We have what we call pump and dump scheme stocks. This is stocks that was, for example, a stock, it is $1, and after 2 weeks or 3 weeks it goes to $16, $20. It's a big investment. You can make a lot of money if you succeed only in one. That's why most of the beginners, they like this kind of stocks. First, because they can't buy the big ones, and second, because they are thinking of profits, but they are not thinking of the risk. So if you like risk, you can do that, but understand that sometimes you pay too much if the stock is against you, and sometimes you can make a lot of money from this kind of stocks. Okay, so I had a training level 10 which describes stocks that are safer than the pump and dump scheme. Pump and dump scheme, you find a stock that it is low volume. For example, it is only 20,000 volume. It means 20,000 shares traded a day. And then in few days, you see from 20,000, you see 100,000, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million shares, and you see the stock soars, goes up so quick. Okay? These are what we call pump and dump scheme. I'm not saying it is a scam, but most of it is manipulated by some professional traders, some people who are manipulating this kind of stocks. Okay? Now you find other stocks that are not manipulated. They go slowly. Let's say they go, for example, 2%, 5% a day. Okay? This is what we are looking for. It means the stocks that are not related to pump and dump scheme. Pump and dump scheme, if you want them, you need to risk more. If you like to risk more, yes, you can do them. Okay? You can check, for example, my training level 2. Level 2 doesn't mean that you use level 2, no. It means just a level in the training. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. If you get this training, you will see how to search for this kind of stocks, any stock that you like. Okay, it means any price that you like. You can just try it, and you can search daily at the end of the day if you are doing swing trading, and you can buy this kind of stocks. You find them by price. For example, you put under $10 or under $5, and you will have stocks daily that you can choose from. If it is pump and dump scheme and you like to risk your money, yes, it's okay. Put $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 if you have, okay, or $500, wherever you have. But understand that this kind of stocks are risky. If you want a safer, not safe stocks, there is no safe stock. Safer stocks, it means they have some characteristics. You can check training level 10, which is how to trade penny stocks. These kind of stocks are not pump and dump scheme, and they are safer than the other ones in terms of, but you are not getting as much money as the other pump and dump scheme. Okay, that's why online most of the time you will see these kind of charts that the people show you online. Most of it are pump and dump scheme. Okay, and these scammers and these promoters, they are all online, and you see these stocks. You see a stock $1, and after 1 week it goes to $16 to $20. But it doesn't stay at $20, but it will go to $1 one day, a few weeks, one week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. A lot of people, these scammers, they make a lot of money from this. Some of the followers, they use newsletters, they use a lot of stuff like this. They can make money also, but most of them, they lose money. Okay, because they wait too long and they don't know what's going on, and they think that these scammers or promoters, they know the future, or they know something else that no one. It's not true. All this stuff is just a game that the people do, and they can make too much money. Now, so the best thing to understand is that whenever you go to penny stocks, it means stocks under $5, understand that there is a big risk of losing money and a big risk and a big profit. Because the more risk you have, the more profit you have in this kind of stocks. Now, if you like them and you want to trade them the right way, you can choose my training level 10, and you can choose training level 2 to find these stocks, which just these two training is sufficient for you. Okay, and if you have special questions or questions about what we see online, please, here is the my email on the top of the description and my website. Just take a look and send me an email. Please comment and send me a private message, and have a nice night. Thank you very much.